Alright, so I finally done got my suppressor in the mail. This is going to be the Hybrid 46 from Silencer Central. It's going to be the DTM package, so it comes a little more than just the suppressor. Let's see what comes with it. Sorry about the mess. Been reloading in preparation of receiving this. So, seems to be nicely packaged. Get rid of this. So, that's what it comes with. I did opt for getting a thread adapter from them with it when I got it to fit my 308 sized rifles. This is what the packaging looks like. And this is what comes with the DTM package. You get the hybrid SilencerCO tools, I believe, and then the thread insert, and the most important part itself, the suppressor. This is significantly lighter weight than I expected. It is exactly what I was waiting for. But the DTM kit also got the piston without the actual setup for any of the specific pistols. This is the standard direct thread mount. I think this is just this. Go. Nice and tight. Hybrid 46. Like, follow, and subscribe to see more of this in the future. And hopefully I get to do a lot of testing and future endeavors with it.